In this video, you'll learn how to use the BNB Vault on Binance. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step process to effectively set up and manage your investments within the BNB Vault. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are logged in, locate the Wallet option on the top menu. Click on Wallet, then select Overview from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your Wallet Overview screen where you can see your available balances. Next, look for the Earn section in the Wallet Overview. Under this section, find and click on BNB Vault. This will redirect you to the BNB Vault interface where you can manage your BNB assets. It is important to ensure that you have sufficient BNB tokens available for the process ahead. Once you are on the BNB Vault page, you will see an option to subscribe. Click on this button to begin the subscription process. A new window will appear, prompting you to enter the amount of BNB you wish to allocate to the vault. Be mindful of your total holdings and ensure that you are not exceeding your available balance. After entering the amount, review the terms and conditions presented. It is crucial to understand the potential risks and rewards associated with using the BNB Vault. Once you've read and understood the information, you can proceed by clicking the Confirm button. This action will finalize your subscription to the BNB Vault. Following the confirmation, you will see a success message indicating that your BNB has been successfully allocated to the vault. At this stage, you can monitor your investments performance directly from the BNB Vault dashboard. Regularly check the dashboard to stay informed about your earnings and any changes in your investment status. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.